Worried about crypto taxes? We've all been there. It's a confusing world of capital gains, cost basis, and a whole lot of spreadsheets. But what if I told you there's a simple way to get a head start on your crypto tax reporting? Today, we're diving into Kraken's tax reporting tools and how they can make tax season a whole lot less stressful. Kraken doesn't automatically generate your tax forms, but it does give you all the data you need to do it yourself or, even better, to seamlessly integrate with a third-party crypto tax software. Here's the thing, to calculate your taxes, you need to know a few key things: what you bought, what you sold, and for how much. Kraken makes it easy to get this information. First, log into your account. Then, head over to the Documents section under your profile icon. This is your one-stop shop for all your transaction data. From here, you have two primary options, the CSV export method or the API key method. The CSV export is a great way to get a snapshot of all your transactions. You can create a ledger export, which gives you all your deposits, withdrawals, and trades. You can also create a separate trades export if you just need that specific data. Simply select the date range you need, click Generate, and download the file when it's ready. You can then upload this CSV file to your favorite crypto tax software. The second method is even more streamlined, using an API key. This is the most efficient way to connect your Kraken account to a third-party tax reporting service. It allows the software to automatically and securely pull your transaction data without you needing to manually download and upload files. To do this, go to your account settings and find the API section. Click Create API Key, give it a name, and be sure to set the permissions to query funds and query ledger entries. This is super important. You want to give the tax software the ability to read your data, not to make trades or withdrawals. Once you generate the key, you'll be given a public key and a private key. You'll use these to connect to your chosen tax software. And that's it. Whether you choose to use the CSV files or an API key, Kraken provides you with the essential tools to tackle your crypto taxes. By exporting your data, you're taking the first and most important step toward accurate and compliant tax reporting. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.